Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see right here, we have another haul from Tactical Distributors. So there were 3 things in there, but I'm just going to do one thing at a time. So first off, this is the most reasonable thing, I would say. So this is the Arcteryx leaf Balaclava. And this is in that like coyote brown, I think they call it crocodile. So this is the packaging, warning labels, yada yada. So one unique thing about this item I found out was that after Christian Craighead, Christian Craighead, he's a 22 SAS guy, and he was in some country in Africa where they basically, Nairobi, because they call him Obi-Wan Nairobi. And I think he put this piece of gear on the map because he was wearing it when he was basically clearing a hotel by himself after there was like an active shooter. But yeah, this is limited to active military law enforcement type deal only. So super glad I was able to pick this up from Tactical Distributors. You do have to send them proof when you're ordering this, saying that, hey, you're not just some regular civilian. But this will be really nice to wear in the winter time or in general if I have to do any ops and whatnot. But it has this nice super dry packet. Again, keep these to keep your ammo dry when you store them. And this is the tag on it, so Arcteryx leaf. And there's the SKU number. I got a small medium because I have a small head. And this is the Assaulter Balaclava fire resistant, which is the FR. And this is what it feels like. This will be good because then if I'm exhaling or whatever, and this is over the bridge of my nose, hopefully it won't fog up. But that's basically it. Feels really comfortable. Feels pretty good too. Covers right over my eyebrow, and it covers the bridge of my nose like a good fitting mask, and then it drapes down over your neck. Anyways, overall fits great, not too tight with my hair. And then you have the Arcteryx little frog thing down here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.